What an awesome opportunity to have a shop tour with Mike of A Cabin in 50 Acres. And be sure to check that video out. I'll be leaving the links to all the videos in the description below. This morning before I left, he took me to the sawmill where he gets most, if not all, of the lumber he uses to create beautiful cabinetry and live edge countertops. So I thought I would share with you this sweet and simple tour. Wow, this is the kind of shop I would dream of having in my area, so I can pick out some wood and materials. Unfortunately, all I have is the big box stores. So I'm still with Mike. It's been a great visit.
Here, keep that rolling. We'll go through something.
And what?
So keep that rolling. We'll go in the other room.
Okay. He's taking me in the other room where there's some good stuff. Wow, I would love to do a project using wood like that. Someday I'll have my shop set up so that I can work with epoxy and do some tables and benches. So this is where Mike gets all his stuff. Would you say all of it?
Pretty much.
Pretty much all of it?
Yeah, if it's like rough wood that I'm milling into furniture or whatever, then I get it here.
Totally awesome. Man, I wish I had a place like this in my area. He brought me here with the potential of me picking up a slab so I can do the bathroom countertop. And after I get done with this video, I'll check out what I'm going to do if that happens. So cool. Thanks for bringing me here, Mike.
Yeah, no problem.
Bye for now. So this is where they bring it in, and they bring it to this big old sawmill. Wow, that's huge. Quite the production here, that's for sure. So here you got your lumber yard.
Yeah, all this is just waiting to get milled, and then same with this. This here has just been milled, and he's waiting to put it into the shipping containers, which is where he air dries it.
Yeah.
Or kiln dries it, I guess.
It's a big kiln dryer.
There's two of them.
Wow. So cool.
Look at the pallet skid concrete to hold everything down up there. Oh, there's one right there too.
Cool.
Alright, this is Barrett. He runs this operation.
Barrett, I guess you've already seen it.
Yeah.
Seen it.
So we got the sawmill here at the living group. We salvage everything, try to at least. For example, last week we pulled out 3,500 board foot of walnut out of a development site, and the developer pretty much cut everything down.
I saw you had a lot of walnut in there.
Yeah. Oh, you should see the logs out back.
Oh, really? I need to come back before it's gone. I have one more wall.
You got time. Come on.
Yeah.
Wow, you guys got an awesome place here, because I would love to have something like this in my area.
Well, make it happen. You just got to do it.
You bet the farm.
Yeah, okay. I'll do that tomorrow, all right? So here we are. This is the morning I get to meet Troy and Eli for the first time in person. I'll be setting up a playlist called the Bar Run Forge Gathering. I think there's going to be about 7 videos total, and I would hope that you would check them all out. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to smash that little bell button so you can be notified of the next videos to come.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?